This is what you don't see this every day, that's for sure. Oh, that's a Toyota Chase? This thing is beautiful. Holy, this thing is nice. Man, we need more Vipers. Oh, he's got NOS and everything. Damn, man. Holy hell.
Because I've asked about it.
Really?
You too.
They really put stickers on it called Gap Sauce. That's so bad. That's so bad. Why would you put a sticker on it called Gap Sauce? Oh man, that's cringe. I like the Viper, but I didn't like that at all. That was gross. That was gross. What is this monstrosity? I don't know. I mean, the wrap is interesting, but what are those rims though? Oh, look at this Porsche. Woo. Little Hot Wheels wrap on it. That's interesting. Class D dip? Yeah. Ooh, here we go. Okay, here we go. Now this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna chill here. I'm just gonna hang out here, right here. Oh man, this is beautiful. Was it Mason? Oh man. This thing is clean. This blue is beautiful too. Carbon fiber rims. Woo! Hell yeah. There are some nice cars, I have to say. That Audi is nice. This is the RS6. Is that an RS6?
Whatever, yeah.
RS6, yeah.
Sold it 2 years later.
This thing is clean. I wouldn't get it in white, but this is nice. Oh yeah. GTS. It's an interesting color on a Porsche. Fox body? Oh yeah. Pink. It's pink. This is a little wild, man. I've never seen a pink. Uh-oh. It looks like the wrap is peeling. Monkeys. right, let's keep this going, shall we? Little beamer, excuse me. A lot of muscle, a lot of muscle. I mean, I knew that was gonna happen. I knew there was gonna be a lot of muscle. A little Evo action, not bad. A little Evo. This thing is wild. What is this? It's a vet cart. This is pretty interesting. Not bad. I'd rock this. Wow. That thing is kind of cool, actually. Cool little buggy. GTRs. Little Subaru action. The body kit is nice. I dig it. This GTR is nice. Wow. The blue rims are interesting, I gotta say. Interesting. Not too shabby, not too shabby.
I can tell you were excited just with the way you were driving.
GTR, more GTRs. This thing is cool. Going old school with this bad boy. Oldsmobile, sorry. Wow. This thing is interesting. This is a boat right here. That's a super boat. Trucks. Cake on trucks.